everybody, welcome back to my channel. So glad that all of you are here. So basically what I did first, I laid down my edges, and that was me taking off the scarf. Now I'm going in with this nice wig cap that I got. It's light for my skin, but it works every time, honestly. And now I'm just gonna go in with this foundation that I got from Dollar General by Believe and just blend it into the wig cap, because this is our ball cap method. Now I'm going in with alcohol on this little cotton ball. I'm just wiping off all the excess oils and extra foundation from me blending in my natural forehead oils. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the lady of the hour, the Wig and Weave Bonding Glue by SheaMoisture. And what I noticed when opening is that there is a little seal, which is so cool because it's not often that you see products with a seal anymore. So I enjoyed that. And it smelled really, really good. It smelled really good. So the consistency was really slimy. Like, it wasn't a bad consistency. It wasn't sticky or anything to the touch, but it is pretty slimy and very liquidy. It can get a little bit messy, but you just gotta work with it. So where I like to apply is right in front. Because this is a closure wig, it isn't a 13x4 wig. It's more like a 5x5. I just do it like right in front, because it's not really a point in me, applying it all over. Plus, this is quicker and easier. And I do like to blow it down with my fan. And I did do 2 layers, because that's all I really needed was 2 layers for it to stick down. So I just blow it with the fan to make sure that it's tacky. And along the way, I do clean it up with the alcohol cotton pad or cotton ball, just to get rid of the excess, because we don't want the dry glue to show after I lay the wig down. So I just wipe off all that excess. And now I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig, start lining it up with the lace. Don't look at the lace. It's a little dirty, but I don't really care. So now I'm just going to blow it down a little bit more, because I want it to be like, sticky. And it takes a little while to dry up to get like that tackiness. But it was pretty easy to just pat it down. It didn't slide or anything like that. It just kind of stayed in place. And I'm going to go in with my fan and just pat until it's like blended and I'm sure that the product is dry, so I can go ahead and do my baby hairs. Now I'm going in with my Got To Be Glued free spray. This is just like to make sure my lace is like stuck. Like to make sure that it's completely adhered to seal in all that glue and make sure my wig sticks. Girl, a trick that I learned to make your lace like really look seamless is to go in with a foundation that is super, super close to your skin color, if not an exact match. Like, that works so well. Now I am going in and starting on my baby hairs. I'm just going to do like some small little swoops in the front, so that it's coming from my scalp, and to blend like out the lace a little bit more. And that's it. So this is later in the night, like literally maybe 8 hours later. I wore the wig all day. The glue is still super strong. Like, this is me just pulling on it, trying to show you guys that it's still like stuck on my head. But I did the bad thing and just took it off with my finger. Yeah, I know, but it worked. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. Hope you enjoyed.